Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Monday, June 3rd, 2019. Hey, haters, how the heck are you doing today? So I wasn't even going to put a video up today because a lot of times I start putting some video content up from Tuesday into the rest of the week, and I usually just don't worry with Monday. I kind of get accustomed to the markets again, try to get. But hey, you know what? Not every day is going to be a winning day as a trader. Today was not a winning day for me. Now, come on. Let's make those comments, haters, you miserable human beings. Go ahead. Make all those comments that you want to make. Life's not easy, man. Trading's not easy. I actually had a really good trade on today, but I was short at 8 a.m. or 9 o'clock my time at 54.59 today, and I got within 10 ticks of passing the FTP. I think I was at 31,900, 31,910, somewhere in that area. So the account gets that high, and then after that, things kind of, the wheels come off a little bit, I guess, and because I was pressing very hard to get to 32,000 a day. This has happened before in my past, but guess what? I didn't blow my account out. I didn't have to reset the account. I'm still at a pretty good amount of money inside of the 30K account that I still, within 2 or 3 days, I can smack it and hit it again and get closer. Probably what I should have done today is, like I did on some of the other trading days, is when I get to 50 ticks plus coming back, when it's coming back 50 ticks, you know, I should just probably exit the trade and work for the next trade. But I got a little bit on the greedy side because I thought, you know, I thought this was the trade that was going to hit. This 8 o'clock trade, I'm going to be done and hit 32,000 in the first 20 minutes or 30 minutes of trading. It was close. You know, and some days just get away from you, right? Because we're human. We're human. We're not working with some set program. I try to do the best I can with the information that's put in front of me, but I'm still human. I still want to cross over to the next stage and move on. Well, today just didn't work out that way. I don't know what else to say about it. So, you know, haters, you going to hate? Go ahead, go for it, man. What makes you're just, honestly, I think what you're just a miserable human being. You get your joys out of being a keyboard commando that can go and type a few things in to make yourself feel better. When, honestly, what you should do is unsubscribe from my channel and go find something better to do with your time. That's what I think you should do. Because I'm going to move forward. I'm going to get to the next step and the next stage, and I'm going to continue to grow. And you're going to kick yourself some point because you're going to say, maybe I shouldn't have been so mean to him. Or then you'll be like some of the other people that come to me after the fact and say, David, well, I probably shouldn't have said what I said. Or you'll just be one of the other ones that come around, finally give me your real name, and then you disappear that fake name area that you have to do things that just miserable, just a miserable human beings. Seriously, just because one thing doesn't work in your life, how many of us have failed at something? And if you haven't failed, well, good for you. You probably shouldn't be. If you haven't failed and you've been watching me, then you're in the wrong place, man. And if you think that trading is easy, you're in the wrong place as well. You know, trading is the easiest, hardest money that you'll ever make. Think about that for a second. There's one of my favorite quotes right there. Trading is the easiest, hardest money that you'll ever make. What does that mean? We look at trading as, wow, that looks super easy. All I have to do is do this, and next thing I know, I get, you know, I smack the Mac, and I get hundreds come out the other end. Well, what you don't understand about trading is there's a lot of stuff that goes inside that. You have Right now, with being at Top Step Trader, you got the rules against Top Step Trader. You have the $500 max daily loss of the third 30K account. There's not a room to move. You certainly, I mean, I'd love to be able to trade 2 contract strategy that I do in my positional and swing trading at this. If the 30K account had 1,000 drawdown a day, if they would just say that you had $3,000 drawdown and you had 500 per contract, then I could go back and I could take 2 contracts on at Top Step Trader, and I'd have already moved on and beyond, because I know that with 500 per contract, I can make it work. I can make it work with 500 per contract on 1 contract. So I know I can make it work with 500 per contract on 2 contracts if I had $500 drawdown on each contract. So know your plan, right? Know your trading plan. And for the haters out there, hopefully that's some words of wisdom for you. Because what I think you are, you're just a miserable human being. You're just the keyboard commando that gets their joys off of seeing someone else's misery. And I'm not miserable. I'm not misery. I've got a pretty good life. Probably better than yours. And I apologize for that. I apologize that my life is better than yours. That I can sit at home, that I can work from my home computer, that I can do something else with my life if I want to, if I choose to do so. I apologize. I apologize if that really pisses you off. Because what you got to ask yourself is, why? Why should it matter what's going on in Dave Knight's life? Really? Why should it matter? And if you're doing phenomenal, you know I'm behind you. I've always said that I hope you do much better than I ever did. But you don't hear me. What you hear is, oh, this guy is a loser, therefore I'm just going to make him feel like me. And I guess that's, in the end, you're projecting, right? And I understand why you do what you do. You project your miserableness out to the world to let everyone know how miserable of a human being that you are. And honest to God, I feel sorry for you. I really do. But it's not my life. I'm okay. All right? I'm okay. Regardless of what you put down below, I'm still going to be okay. This is Dave Knight here from 123 Day Trade. I'll see you when I get to the funded account. I'll be there. I just got to continue to work on me. Some of you guys are a lot better than I am, and I'm glad of that. I really am. I'm proud of you. And I'm proud of some of the people that follow me that are in the funded account, and they're continuing to motivate me to move on. And I thank you for that, because the people that give a shit are really the ones that I'm listening to anyway. All right? It's Dave Knight here from 123 Day Trade. Take care. God bless. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.